Who was at Putin's residence at the time of the Ukrainian attack? As you already know, Russia accused Ukraine of targeting President Vladimir Putin's personal residence in Novgorod with kamikaze drones on Monday, December 29. Although the Russian leader was not at the mansion at the time of the attack, today's rumors appearing in the Russian press report that clerics of Alina Kabaeva were at the location. Specifically, in Valtai, in the western region of Novgorod, is one of President Putin's main personal residences. His large mansion there is one of the best protected buildings in the entire world. In the early hours of Monday, December 29th, this luxurious house is said to have come under attack by dozens of Ukrainian drones. The revelation was made a little later by the Russian foreign minister himself, Sergei Lavrov, although it quickly became known that President Putin was not in the area at the time of the attack. New unconfirmed reports from Russian sources claim that his mistress, Alina Kabaeva, was in Valdai that day. Alina Kabaeva has been rumored for years to have a secret relationship with the head of Moscow. The 42-year-old Russian has excelled in rhythmic gymnastics and in recent years has been involved in politics and the media. The same reports, the Russian ones, claim that Kabaeva lives permanently in Putin's mansion in Valdai, Novgorod, and that at the time of the attack she was nearby, inside the residence. Living with her are her two children, Ivan and Vladimir Jr., who are rumored to be fathered by President Putin. The famous Western newspaper, The Times, wrote that the Russian leader often visits his family at this particular mansion, mainly late at night. Valdai is about 300 to 400 kilometers from Moscow, a location believed to have been chosen for security reasons. Putin wants his family to live away from the spotlight, which is why rumors say that his children do not go to school, but are taught at home. That was the video. If you liked it, you can subscribe to the channel to get notified about every new one. Don't forget to leave us comments with your opinion.